Understanding Stop Shouting at Me, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a very common phrase in English. Stop shouting at me. Understanding this phrase is crucial not just for its literal meaning but also to comprehend the emotions and situations it's often associated with. So, let's break it down together. Firstly, let's look at the literal meaning of stop shouting at me. This phrase is a request or demand made by someone who feels they are being spoken to in a very loud and aggressive manner. Shouting refers to raising one's voice beyond a normal talking level, often out of anger or frustration. When combined with at me, it indicates that the loud speech is directed towards the speaker. Therefore, the phrase is a clear plea for the other person to lower their voice and speak in a calmer manner. Now, let's explore the emotional context behind this phrase. When someone says, "Stop shouting at me," it often signifies that they are feeling attacked, overwhelmed, or upset by the other person's tone and volume. It's not just about the noise, it's about feeling respected and heard. This phrase might be used in situations where there's an argument, a misunderstanding, or when someone simply feels too pressured by the way they're being spoken to. Understanding when and how to use this phrase is key. It's appropriate in situations where you feel that the other person's tone of voice is unnecessarily loud or aggressive and is making you uncomfortable. However, it's important to use this phrase cautiously, as it can escalate an argument if not delivered in a calm and clear manner. Instead of responding with equal aggression, try to express your feelings calmly and explain why the shouting is affecting you negatively. If you're looking for less confrontational ways to express the same sentiment, there are alternatives. You could say, "Could we please speak more quietly? I find it hard to listen when the volume is so high." Let's try to discuss this calmly. These alternatives aim to reduce the tension and encourage a more productive and respectful conversation. We hope this guide helps you understand the phrase, "Stop shouting at me," and its nuances in English communication. Remember, it's not just about the words you use, but how you express them that can make all the difference in your interactions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into English language learning. Stay tuned.